to see some rain out there, Jim.
It sure is. I think we'll take even a little bit of hail and gusty winds, won't we?
No doubt.
The lightning, not a good thing here today. We understand some grass fires were started by some of that dry lightning we talked about a few minutes ago over there in Fayette County. We now have 4 counties in our hill country viewing area that are under severe thunderstorm warning. You can see the cluster of storms that has formed this afternoon moving down through the hill country. Let's take a closer look at this on our Viper, our profiler radar rather. Just a few lingering showers, but again, these showers have created a couple of lightning strikes that did produce a couple of grass fires over there in Fayette County. So we will focus on these storms here in the hill country right now. They are moving generally to the southeast at about 20 to 25 miles per hour. The heaviest thunderstorm is this area. You see that area in black right there? That could be hail up to maybe 1.5 inches in diameter. That's about the size of a ping pong ball. I haven't seen any hail reports that big. I suspect that it's warm enough tonight. We hit 100 degrees today that a lot of that's melting before it gets down to the ground. But there is likely some hail reaching the ground there. There is also some fairly frequent lightning just in this view right here. Everywhere you see there, Lake Buchanan, back to Llano County, down to Horseshoe Bay. There have been 277 lightning strikes in there in just the last 30 minutes. So you folks in these areas do stay indoors. If you know anyone that's maybe out fishing on the lakes this afternoon, from Lake LBJ up through Inks to Lake Buchanan, call them, tell them to get on off the lake, even Lake Marble Falls, because this little area of thunderstorms is moving right down the Highland Lakes as we speak. In fact, let me put it into motion, and you can see the general east-southeastward movement of this activity. You folks in Buchanan Dam, looks like you're going to have a pretty heavy thunderstorm very near you and very soon. All right, let's zoom out just a little bit. That area under a severe thunderstorm warning there in this polygon until 5:45 this afternoon. Down here into Blanco County, you folks just southwest of Johnson City, you are in a severe thunderstorm warning also until 5:45 p.m. This storm doesn't look quite as strong as that one in Llano County, but still may have some hail in it, some gusty winds, and you can see the lightning strikes there. 169 lightning strikes just in the frame here over the last 30 minutes or so. All right, we have one more severe thunderstorm warning to talk about out here in Gillespie County. Looks like this storm is going to be moving right into Fredericksburg pretty soon as it moves south-southeast at about 15 to 20 miles per hour. Let's put that one in motion. You folks in Fredericksburg, be ready to seek shelter as this severe storm moves in. You just need to stay indoors and away from electrical appliances and electrical equipment, off the telephone, that sort of thing, and you'll be just fine. Now, here's the $64,000 question. Is this going to make it into the Austin metro area tonight? Well, last night, you'll recall this activity held on until about 10 o'clock or after before it completely dissipated. And so based on the movement right now, you can see it for yourself, there is a general southeastward movement. If it can hang on for 3 or 4 more hours tonight, yes, we will get some rain into the Austin metro area, maybe even some thunderstorms a little later on. These things, though, tend to decrease a little with sunset tonight, and so we're thinking that is also a possibility. All right, well, let's talk here about what's going on around the metro. We can, once again, we can see it. We can smell it. We will see the lightning very soon from the metro area, but it would just be cruel if we don't actually get some of this rain into the area tonight. We're looking back to the west and southwest, and this is all generally spreading our way right now, so keep your fingers crossed. Still 95 degrees here in the city. These are current temperatures around the area. Look at that rain-cooled 70 degrees in Llano. How about that? 95 again in the city, 90 over there in LaGrange. Let me take you to the forecast real quickly. Tonight, some thunderstorms, certainly a possibility, especially from the metro area west. 73 the low. Tomorrow, we may get to 99 or 100, depending on when we get some showers developing in the area tomorrow, which we think we will. And then on the 7-day forecast for you, we'll have at least a 20% chance the next 2 days as these little weak impulses move across this stationary front that's in the area. Then a stronger front on Friday, hopefully, will drop us into the 80s and break that 90-degree streak this weekend, but it's going to be a close call.